At Z Quiet, we've tried just about every single mouthpiece there is out there on the market to treat snoring. And so people ask us all the time, come on, really, which mouthpiece is the most effective to treat snoring? And the answer is, it depends on three variables. The first is, does it work? Because it has to work. The second is it comfortable enough to wear all night? And that can be personal. And the last is, has it been proven safe and effective? So with regard to the first question, does it work? The good news is that whether you're buying a mouthpiece over the counter or you're working with a dentist for a custom fitted device, which can be quite expensive, they all use the same principle, which is moving that lower jaw forward to open up the airway, and that stops the snoring. It's probably going to work. The second question is really the biggest one, and that is it comfortable enough to wear all night? And that depends on a few things. Boil and bite devices tend to be bulky because they have two layers of material that you've got to boil and then stick in your mouth. Some, like Z Quiet, are not boil and bite, but the benefit is you use it right out of the box and it's really thin and pliable and flexible, less of a mouthful. And then custom devices tend to be somewhere in between. Regardless of what you decide is most comfortable for you, side effects do happen with mouthpieces. You can expect to wear it during the day until you're comfortable enough to wear it at night. And make sure that you know that an adjustment period is normal no matter what. So prepare for that and stick with it because it will work. And the last thing I would say is before you purchase a mouthpiece to treat snoring, make sure it's been proven safe and effective. You don't want to put something in your mouth that you don't know what it's made out of or where it came from. So look for a product that is made by a reputable brand that is cleared by the FDA. Because to meet that burden, a company has to show that the material is safe enough to have in your mouth all night long and that the product has been proven safe and effective. Hopefully this information will help you on your journey to finding some quiet nights.